There are incidents that our partners reported with problems to restore when the encryption key is lost or not available. That sometimes led to significant business impact as the end users expect data being recoverable. Being a MSP, if you want to be in the position to assist your customer to be able to recover your client's password in such situations, please continue to watch the video below. How Aze's encryption works. By default, Aze's two-client software, OBM and ACB, use secure 256-bit AES encryption algorithm to encrypt users' backup data locally before sending those data to the backup destination, such as a local NAS, off-site CBS, or public cloud storage. This encryption method is strong enough to withstand any brute force attack by any supercomputer available on Earth. The encryption key is on backup set level. That means, each backup set created in OBM or ACB will use a unique encryption key. There are three options for a user to choose a key, namely, 1. Default, 2. Password, and 3. Custom. The default option is the most secure, as OBM or ACB software will generate a 44 alphanumeric, fully randomized encryption key that consists of uppercase, lowercase, numbers and special characters to encrypt the data. With this strong encryption key, there is no chance for being hacked. For the password option, the software will use the OBM or ACB user account's current password to encrypt the data. The keyword here is current, meaning even if the user changes his/her password in the future, the encryption key won't change accordingly. For the custom option, the user can define his or her own encryption key. This key cannot be changed after being used, and needs to be saved securely. Where is the encryption key being stored? The encryption key is encrypted by a strong key, owned by Aze, and stored on the computer that OBM and ACB are running on. When the encryption key is needed. During the restore process, if the data are restored through the original OBM and ACB client, then the user does not have to input the encryption key, because the software will automatically use the previously stored key to decrypt the backup data. However, if the original OBM or ACB machine is crashed, the user then needs to restore the backup data through OBM or ACB installed on a new machine, or through OBR. This is when the user needs to input the encryption key. And this is when users have problem if they cannot input the correct keys. How to prevent users from losing keys. To prevent users from losing their keys, there is an option on OBM and ACB clients to let users upload their encrypted keys to the corresponding CBS. With this option enabled, when a user forgot his or her key, the CBS administrator can download the encrypted key from CBS. And then subscribe to Aze's encryption key recovery service. Aze will then decrypt the key and send to the user's registered email address, so that he or she can use it to restore the backup data. Is uploading encryption keys to CBS secure? Definitely. As users' keys are encrypted by a key owned by Aze. Even if all the keys are stored on CBS, the CBS administrator won't be able to obtain their users' encryption keys to decrypt the backup data. Aze also won't be able to get that user's backup data, as they are stored in the destination that Aze cannot reach. So, the whole process is secure, yet offering a way that the users can get back their keys when needed. By default, this upload option on OBM and ACB side is enabled. However, if a user disables this option, then their key won't be uploaded. If you want to tighten this policy, you can enforce all users to upload their keys by enabling this policy item. This way, all users' encrypted encryption keys will be uploaded, and there won't be key loss disaster to your users anymore. Try this feature now.